welcome to a brand new series, Ice Timber Trucks. These truckers ain't normally truckers. These ain't afraid for anything. They put their lives at risk every day when they get out in these trucks, and anything, literally anything can happen on these treacherous roads. Many drivers has lost their lives. Any day would mean disaster.
Yeah, my name is Jim Bob. I'm the owner of this company with my son, Jim Bob Jr. And we're currently running an operation with 65 trucks in all. Mostly doing timber transports and various flatbed operations too, here in the local area. Yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah, well, I'm Jim Bob Jr. This is the sawmill. Here's just some of our trucks and trailers, and we're trying to keep it plain and simple here. We are currently having about 65 trucks, and sometimes it's hard to keep track on what they're doing and what they're not doing. Sometimes I have to jump in and drive if there's some problems or something, and yeah. We try to maintain our trucks here, do some maintenance and various small services that we can do ourselves. Like now I'm just gonna check that everything is okay here. Looks pretty okay.
Previously on Ice Timber Trucks, the rookie manages to get in trouble once again. And with the important container contract in his hands, this could be the end of his journey.
What? Oh, clutch.
Jim Bob Jr. made an expensive addition to his truck fleet. He invested in a brand new tow truck, and now he dreams of big incomes from towing not only his own trucks, but other customers as well.
Yeah, this is the tow truck I bought. State of the art. Okay, the clutch has cooled down, so we don't need no tow truck. He said he have a surprise, but I don't know what he was talking about. Anyway, clutch has cooled down. Engine start. Let's go.
Rookie Mike was lucky and fixed the problem by simply cooling the clutch down. He gets the truck rolling towards the fishing village. The clutch is easy to damage when pulling such heavy loads.
I wonder if I could dump my shorter trailer on the gas station and just go with this longer one. We bring them all. Oh, I overshot the intersection a bit. Oh my god, I'll lose some parts there. This is doable. This is doable. Not scary at all. For crying out loud, I don't have time with these knuckleheads. Will I make it around? Go on the edge here. Oh yeah, you better move. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess that's the way to do it. Okay.
he makes a rather dumb decision and guns the truck down the hill. This is either the only way or the way to get fired.
Oh, don't you come and interrupt my progress here, you little rascal. So if I disconnect my first trailer, in the meanwhile, and yeah, disconnect her. Yep, I think she's done. I should close the door properly so it doesn't end up breaking it again. Yeah. What are you doing in front of my trailer, you dingus? Actually need to connect that now. Well, we have no choice. We have to help him. Ah. I've been helping a lot of people.
He switches trailers and set up to the unloading place.
Should be a garage here somewhere. They want me to back it up against the door. There. Let's try it. Not too far out in the snow. Oh, I ditched her. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Are we lined up? I guess we could get her turning just about enough. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Did I pull the hammer? I guess. So I don't. Nope. Let's open this one first. Watch out.
He successfully delivers the first load, adding an additional $1,000 in Jim Bob's pocket.
Yeah, figured it went pretty well for him, so we can take this bad boy home. He managed to cool down the clutch and didn't need a tow truck, so let's now figure out how this works.
Jim Bob is happy with Mike's delivery and is now going to test out the new tow truck.
Okay. Oh, door claw shut. Okay. First and foremost, the controls over here. It's good that they painted that for me because I'm so stupid sometimes. Let's put those on and the lights just to be extremely cool. Which is what here now? Oh, that's the one we need. need the boom. Is it this one? Yeah. Just a bit. Let's see it. Can we lower, or should we pull the main boom a bit more? I don't know how these are working, so boom, exit, extend or exit, some extend I guess. Oh, that's that boom. Okay. Because we don't touch that shit. Yeah, I think we can just lower her. That's all we get. Now starts the interesting part. How in my hairy asshole would we get this one on the ramp? I wouldn't like to bang my new pickup truck. Not too much. Hey. Let's say we put her over here. Neutral, handbrake. God damn it. Fuck me dead, what happened? Now I figured we just back the vehicle over those, maybe? Close that little son of a door and just back the vehicle over the whatever it's called, I don't remember. Come on. Like that, I figured. Maybe over. What happens if I actually put in neutral? Neutral? Like that? We should turn the engine off. And close the door. So, if I now detaches those, extending the boom, I should be able to do this. Can't be harder than driving a normal crane. So we're gonna put the boom exit, right? Or extend. Yeah, attaboy. And then how do we extend the winch? Is it like, are they like separately? Yeah, they are. That one down there, and that down there. Well, feels like I've been doing this all my life. And we try to see, can we grab these? If I grab this, I need to extend them some more, I guess. Yeah. We should raise the green one a bit, right? Yeah, and then we grab this. Am I holding it now? How am I doing this? Take that and attach it over there. I guess we're gonna rip this right off. But that doesn't matter. We got it tested at least. Where should we put this one? Over there. Let's rip this shit off. Okay. So now I figured I'd tilt the stuff, oopsie, like that, tensions my winch, just a bit. Are they going in or out or? Oh no, wrong way. With tensions, this one a bit. Should keep her steady, not too much so we rip the shit loose. Like that. Oopsie, that was what I'm talking about, not too much. And then we... Ooh. Was it the wrong hold? No, like that. Don't need to have it too close, I guess. Oh! What the damn it. Boom. We pull the boom inside and that should tension those. Shouldn't it? Like this, maybe? Can we go now? Are you airborne? Nah, not really yet. We should pull this a bit closer, maybe. And tilt it up. Up! Like that. Now she's airborne. Tension the boom maybe a bit. God damn it, wrong way again. What do you think about this, folks? This looks safe, doesn't it? Boom is almost touching ground there, we don't want that, do we? Maybe we lift the whole shebang. Boom lift. Why are they working in the wrong direction? Oopsie. Is he touching ground now? Can't I lift the whole shebang? Spade, what spade? What happens if I pull that RH spade? RH win. No. Boom lift, boom extension. What happens if I lift the boom again? So I don't want that one to touch. And you know what? We only live once. Let's make the worst of it. Let's put some tensions on the boom. Wrong button. No! Damn it! Like that. Now we should be able to go. I think. I hope. I figured. Look at all the lighting. Oh, it's so amazing. Seems to be blinking inside the cabin too. Come on. And then... this is gonna be a interesting one. Maybe I should use those actually, since we are towing. Yeah, it seems to come along. How is it working when I'm turning?
Jim Bob manages to load his pickup truck and set sail for the truck yard. But will he make it all the way to the yard, or will he encounter some troubles along the road?
We should get her home like this, don't you think? This is awesome. Hey! Oh, you son of a bladder. Oh my god. You son of a... I don't want to bang up my new truck. Or my pickup truck. What have you done? Why are you standing here? Sofa. Meeting place? Oh, that showed him. What is that? No! Oh my god, I could... Oh, son of a... Oh. Oh, if scratched might be. You know what? No, I can't. I have to go. Just shut your eyes and go. That's the way it's done. Did he scratch? No, not too much. I swear to God, if that one had scratched my car, I would have ripped him out of the car and hooked the chain to him and pulled the fucking car down to the ocean.
Jim Bob is already losing his patience. How will this end?
Oh. Easy. I don't know what's the proper speed to drive when you're towing, but we get to learn everything here now from scratch. Come on. Thank you, you little son of a... Oh, this is a long one. And no. Oh. No, what are you doing? Oh, and I just thanked you. Oh. I'm so mad right now. Hey, wait a minute. I'm gonna do something. No, I'm so mad. No, I lost it. I'm gonna give him. Oh, I think I already did. Oh, look what he did to my... Oh my God. Oh my God. And this didn't go so well. I guess we have to pull the winch in. Pull the other winch. Pull the boom. I'm so pissed now. I'm so damn pissed. You know, I could have ripped the head off that dude, but I seem to done enough. I think he learned his lesson. Not mess with me again. We wanna attach those. We don't want any interruptions right now. Because we are not... I should... He's still going strong though. Let's tilt this one up. Or maybe down. Yeah, let's show him who's the boss here. And then we lift. Maybe he's attached. Yeah, maybe I could actually move him. We really should learn him a lesson. Not mess with my trucks.
Jim Bob raged out on the car that collided into him during the tow. Now he has really lost it.
So you like to mess with my employees and my trucks? Yeah. How would we get that guy removed? Yeah, my temper is not for anyone. For everyone. Can I kick you? Can I jump on you? Can I burn you? Let's just tilt it up. See what happens. Hello, press down. No, that didn't do the trick. Lift. Yeah, so you wanna come with me for a ride? Okay. It's okay. Hang in there. Hang in there. That's what towing trucks is for, isn't it? We're gonna save you, no problem. Let's throw in all these differentials. Maybe we can actually tow him away. Yeah. Oh no! Yeah. Well, if we're gonna see something from... Oh, that's gonna break my tire, isn't it? There's some shit stuck in my tire. Oh, that's not good. And what do you do? Oh my god.
Well, it's fair to say that Jim Bob has a temper all right. How will he solve this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this again. Hope we have a little less traffic this time. Doesn't look like it, but always hope. No! And of course, now I'm not. Can you please stay here? And we got another piece in there. And that's gonna end up blowing my tire. Yeah. Let's just get out. No. See, we should line her up a little better, maybe. Oh. Look! What are you doing? Fucking spectators, yeah? Wanna fuck with me? Yeah, come on, wanna fuck with me? Come on, I'm free. Come on, I'm nothing special to do. Yeah, come, I don't need to try to save my fucking pickup truck at all. So? This is the way you wanna play it? Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's play. Yeah, let's play. You're in the way, do you understand? You motherfucking cocksucking, dog-licking, ass-eating chicken pie. Well. Wait. Messed up my finger. You want peace too? Huh? Stay the fuck out of my workplace. You do? Hmm? Huh? Like it to drive around in your black shit? Hmm? Stay the fuck out of my workplace, I said. Or die.
Finally, after 10 minutes of rage, Jim Bob manages to position his truck so that he can load his pickup before the cops arrive.
Left winch, wrong hawk ray. Like that. and that other one, and we extend the boom, right? Always wrong way. I don't know why. I think we might extend the winch a little. God damn it! Like that. That. And see if we actually can attach it to the frame here. Maybe. Oh, we lifted it. Ooh, we lifted it. I suppose I should lower the winch now. Oh, which way was lowering now? Oh, that. Right. There. Perfect. And we lower this one some more, like that. And we attach this one too, just to safety precaution. And we, come on, don't dangle. We attach that over there. What the son of a bear? Come on, fucking. Don't lose your mind. It's not worth it. Come on, yeah. There. We're attached to it already, cocksucking. Right. Oh my god. Now. Attach. Yeah. So. Let's hope that's enough. And I think that we should be able to actually drive over that, but I don't know. So I haven't done this too much. Gonna be this one. No? We tilt it up. What happens? We tension the winch. And the blue one, like that. Then we pull it towards ourselves, like that. Yeah, exactly like that. We tension the winch. God. No. Oopsie daisy. Wait. Well. What if I lift this shit now with the winch and then push the thingy under it so that it comes in front of my wheel, but will it be able to turn, or should I, maybe I just should, we can't do too much crazy movements here because we're gonna FUCK something up. So I guess we have to try to pull this winch in order to get it to slide to that side. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, come on. Yeah, like that. And then we lift again. Can't be too hard, can it? We pull the boom again. Pull. So we get it like to slide on there, right? That's how I figured this would work. We tension the winch a bit. Tension? The blue. Ooh. That's the blue one's dangerous, cause yeah, like that I think. What if I release the blue one a bit? Is he like on top of that beam now? No, I think it should be quite okay this way. I don't know. Lift her up a little. And can we lift the whole shebang? That's not attached to the, no. But is it dug down into the ground? That's the problem here. I think it is. But if I change mode, then I have to learn, you know, and then take boom lift. What happens then? Yeah, now it's lifting that shit. Yeah, that's what I wanted. With ground clearance over there, maybe a bit more. Maybe a bit more. Like that. And then I can winch this in. You will stuff it like that, right? A bit out too. Opposite, wrong hole, wrong button. And then I tilt it down actually, so it isn't that damn high, you know. That ought to do it, I think. Should we tension? Yeah, I think we should tension the green one. Which way was it now again? Just like that. Maybe one more. Yeah, now like that. Oh, I forgot that one. Then we should be able to go home. It's gonna be a long one. This shouldn't be a hard job, you know, but since yeah, we can go, and I could actually, yeah, it is turning, but it's not really. I would like to have that between the wheels, not drive over any scrap metals here. We're just gonna turn off the.
In the next episode, we get to see will he make it to the yard in one piece. As for Mike, we get to see if he manages to pull off the container job without major problems. Thank you for watching and liking. If you like what you see, please subscribe.